In this video, we will learn how to use the connectivity settings of the multimeter. As you can see over here, this here is the connectivity. So what we will do is we will move this arrow here all the way to over there, which is indicating the connectivity setting. So in the multimeters you have this, it is similar to that Wi-Fi signal symbol. Okay, and you can see this will read this. Now what I will do is connect to either side of the wire. So here we have the positive terminal. This is the positive lead. It connects to this spot. Okay, and the negative lead, which is the black one, connects to this one where it says COM. Alright, but when it comes to a wire, the wires don't have a polarity, so we don't really need to know that for this experiment, for this explanation. Okay, so what I will do now is I will connect this side and this side. Okay, so if I get a tick sound, that means this wire is working properly. Now I don't get a tick sound, so that means there is a problem with the connections in this wire. Maybe some part is loose, and this actually gives us the resistance of the wire. Okay, it is about 83 ohms. Now we'll check the other wire. Now you didn't hear a tick sound for this. Let's try another wire. Now this is another one. Okay, the previous one is over here. Okay, this is something else. Now we'll try with this wire. Now I should hear a tick sound. Okay, so you see tick sound. Okay, and you can see the reading goes down to about 2 ohms. So the resistance of a wire is usually 1 ohm or 2 ohm. Now you can see this here, you can see this one. I have connected this all the way round over here, and if it's working properly, that means it should make a tick sound. Before you start your practicals, you can do this and check whether your wires are working, so that once you set up the apparatus, you will not have any problem with the wires. We'll check another wire now. Yeah, so this wire is also working fine. Okay, so like this you can check all the wires. We'll do one more. Take the whole table. Okay, so yeah, so what we'll do is one more. Yeah, so no problem with this wire. Also, this is also working fine. So if you hear the tick sound, that means the wire is working fine. You can use this to check any part of the circuit also. What you can do is you can move the arrow to where the connectivity is, and then check any part of the circuit using these two leads. See, even these two also we can check. So no problem with these wires. See, so like that you can keep it at different parts of the circuit and check whether there is no problem in the current flowing through that part. Switch off the circuit and then keep it at different points in the circuit and check the circuit.